Day 35 of Just Debit and Make It Work, a series that I create videos as a diary, as a vlog, to document my journey of 100 days making application from the scratch. Through this video, you can easily see, how I use Clore. The idea, just briefly, the idea how I use Clore to make an application on Android and iOS. I will also give you the demo. And last but not least, I will update with you guys the progress of the project. So this video is also being used for me and myself in the future to rewatch the journey, as well as maybe I will show my daughter this video of the project in the future to show her that, okay, this is the project that I worked for. Maybe she can do the same in the future. I hope that she interesting at it as well. Alright, and I cannot show you, or maybe I won't show you the detail of the coding because it's kind of boring for everyone to watch the detailed implementation, the technical implementation. So I will just, firstly show you the current status update every day, as well as the challenge that I face when making application from the scratch, even though I have the support from AI, and also some progress update and demo of the project in the actual device of Android and iOS. Okay, it's already the day 35 so far, and today I will show you guys how my Android application going so far after deployed. Let's go. Alright everyone, so as we already finished deploy our application with Android in the Play Store for like a couple weeks. Just so you know, the deployment process is not that easy. It will include a lot of steps and a lot of survey that you need to fill in before you submit your application to the Play Store. And you gotta learn and how to submit those information very careful before you submitting your app, because maybe in the future it will affect the way you monetizing or the way you texting the app, or it will violate some kind of policy, etc. and etc. So you gotta be very careful with that. So as we already finished the application in Android, and I already explained you guys the strategy of switching the application into two variations. The first one is the app Journey NZ that I would target the Vietnam market, and the second variation is What for Lunch, which I target the other 33 countries and support 11 languages around the world. So yeah, the first thing that is good is Google already approved our applications that is available for Android application for everyone, for all Android users to download the application on Play Store. And this application is support both phones and tablets. And so far, because I didn't do any kind of huge marketing campaign for this application, and I guess that also because this application is kind of simple, it's just like the niche application to serve the niche community and the niche group of users. So far, I released it on 14th of June 2026, but now the installation is just like 6 people and 6 device. There's some minor thing, not that important, but yeah. And also let's look into our installation for What for Lunch, which is the application that I support the other 33 countries around the world and 11 languages. This application also supports both phone and tablet. And at the moment, because I upload several posts on Reddit, so there's several people that interested into installing my application, and therefore there's only 7 installers. Alright, there are just several first users who install application on Play Store. So as you can see, creating the application and upload it into Play Store is kinda let's say kinda smooth nowadays, because you got a lot of support tool and a lot of library framework, and also got a lot of support from the community for you to build your idea as an application on Android. But keep in mind that the deployment is a pain, so you should pay attention. Secondly, after you creating your app, how to acquire user and keep them stay with your application is even harder. As you can see, at the moment I just got like 13 user install my app, but there's two things that are very good with this my store, because the retention rate is like 4%, which means every day there are at least 4 people come back and using my application, and from there I can gather some metrics of their behavior on the app. The real user, like the one in the market, that the real human, not robot, that actually using the app. And the good news is the stability of my app is pretty much good. There's no crash so far. And also able to gather some interaction that user doing with the application every day, and from there I'm able to knowing what should I improve with my application, which feature that being used the most by user. So I think the next step in parallel with doing application on iOS will be how to marketing the app and acquire more user to install my application. That could be very challenging for me because my background is not a marketer. I'm just a Android developer, so cross finger. Let's hope that things went well, but even it's not going well, there's always something light in the journey already. And I'm happy that you guys stay here watching my video. So if you have any video comments, feel free to drop it in the comment section or send me a direct message. I will answer them for sure. Okay, take care out there. If you have any idea, go ahead. And I just want to say good luck to you in the journey that you create. Creating is fun, so keep things as part of your great life. Doing great offline better than online. All right, see you guys.